Welcome. Today we're diving into a helpful new update on Telegram Web that allows you to easily view all the links shared in your groups. If you're part of active group chats and want to keep track of important resources, this feature is a must-know. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your phone number and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen, ready for you to explore. Next, you need to find the group where the links were shared. You can scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group. Once you find it, click on the group name to open the chat. Now that you're in the group chat, look at the top of the screen for the group's name. Click on it to open the Contact Info panel. This panel provides various options related to the group, giving you access to all the shared content in one place. Once you're in the Contact Info section, look for the Links tab. Click on it to view all the links that have been shared in the group. This section neatly organizes every URL that members have posted, making it easy for you to find exactly what you need. You can scroll through the list and click on any link to open it in a new tab. This feature is incredibly useful, especially if your group chat is filled with valuable resources, articles, or videos. Instead of scrolling through endless messages, you can quickly access all the important links in one place, saving you time and effort. In summary,